In this video, I'll guide you through how to share a Webex recording link efficiently and effortlessly. Whether you're collaborating with your team or sharing a training session, making sure that everyone has access to the recordings is crucial. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to webex.com. This is your starting point for accessing all your Webex meetings and recordings. Once you're on the site, look on the left side of the screen for the Meetings tab. Clicking on this will take you to your Meetings dashboard, where you can see all your scheduled and past meetings. Next, locate the meeting that you want to start or revisit. You'll see a button labeled Start. Go ahead and click on it. This will initiate the meeting interface where you'll have access to various features. After clicking Start, a new button will appear titled Start Meeting. Click this to actually enter the meeting environment. This is where you can begin recording your session. Once you're in the meeting, look at the top of your browser window. You should see an area dedicated to extensions, and within this section, there's an option labeled Meeting Recording. Click on it to start recording your session. This ensures that everything discussed during the meeting, including audio and video, is captured. Now, you need to ensure that both audio and video are being recorded. So click on the audio and video option to confirm that these settings are enabled. This step is important to make sure nothing is missed during the recording. When your meeting has concluded and you've recorded everything you need, it's time to stop the recording. Simply click Stop. This action will trigger an automatic download of the recording file onto your computer. It's that easy. The file will be saved without any additional actions needed on your part. Once the download is complete, navigate to your computer's download folder. This is where the recording file will be stored. You can also go to your browser's download history to quickly find the recording if your download folder is cluttered or if you have trouble locating it. In your download history, you'll see the recording file listed. Here, you can right-click on the file and select the option to copy download link. This link is what you'll use to share the recording with others. Finally, with the download link copied to your clipboard, you can share it with your team, colleagues, or anyone else who needs access to the meeting content. You can paste this link into an email, a chat message, or any other platform you use for communication. And there you have it, a simple guide to sharing a Webex recording link. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your important meetings and discussions are accessible to everyone who needs them. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.